Hello, how are you? I'm Duda, and today we're going to talk about this product here, which is very popular among our customers and Elsys, the Amplimax. So, do you want to learn how to install it? Stay with me, and let's check the installation with Fabiano Santos and Daniel Prado.
Hey, now we will see how to perform the complete installation of the Amplimax. Before we start the installation process, it's important to check the contents of the package. Starting the installation process. First step, connect the Amplimax to a power source. Insert the DC connector now. To the plug, pull the black box that comes with it. Connect it to the outlet. Plug in the RJ45 Ethernet cable into the WAN port of the pole. Connect the other end of the cable and Ethernet to the Amplimax. It's worth noting that the cable connecting the Amplimax to the PLE can be up to 100 meters long if it's an approved cable in the CAR-T category. The best length depends on the distance from the power source to where it's installed. Second step, find the best provider. Once the product is powered on, it will show a sequence of initialization messages on the display. Wait for the NSYNC message to appear. NSYNC means no card is present. To begin the search for operators, just press the Installa Fácil button once. The Amplimax begins searching for carrier signals and will present the results on the screen. The Amplimax will display the results in this order: type of technology, carrier name, and signal strength. When showing the operating technology, the display will present it as follows: 46, which refers to 4G, 36, which is for 3G, and 26 for 2G. To find out more about the info displayed on the Amplimax,
no display with quick installation tips or user manual available in digital version. Third step, installing the SIM card. After identifying the carrier with the best signal, just install the reflector and the SIM card until it clicks. It is important that the SIM card has an active data plan. If you need to remove the SIM card, just press until you hear a click and it will unlock. Step 4. Finding a good location for installation. The Amplimax was designed to be installed in outdoor environments, being able to withstand sun and rain exposure. External installation improves the reception of your carrier's signal. After installing the mast, simply secure the product using the self-fusing tape and the clamps that come with it. Before tightening the clamps, check the signal level shown on the display. To make the aiming process easier, press the Easy Install button again. The product will emit a sound signal to assist with the alignment process. The faster the sound signal, the better. This level can vary depending on the installation location or directions. For a good connection, we recommend a signal level above 60. Amplimax can also be installed directly on the wall, mounted like a picture following the template in its manual. Fifth step. To complete your installation process, simply connect your Wi-Fi router to the Amplimax. To do this, just connect the PoE LAN port to the WAN port of your router. Done. You can browse now. With Amplimax, you can also make and receive calls using a regular phone. Just connect the phone cable to the tel port of the PoE. Make sure the SIM card has an active voice plan. Amplimax is easy to use. Install, power on, and enjoy. However, if you need specific settings or want to configure advanced features like port forwarding on Amplimax, blocking certain frequencies, manual APN, etc., type the IP address 192.168.10.254 in your browser to reach the configuration pages. Config. See? Amplimax is perfect for on the go.
Internet access for far off places.
Enjoyed the setup? Now it's up to you. Comment below and let us know how your experience with Amplimar was.